Ayden here with a simple and fast review of the Zeagoo women's sleeveless button-down shirts, blouses, solid casual basic v-neck tank tops for work.
Okay, so let's open her up. So we can see that I got this in the color light blue. See the tag, I got this in a size small. It comes with an extra button. There are buttons coming, okay. There are buttons coming down the entire shirt to the bottom, and then it leaves a bit of like a little V at the bottom. It's a pretty light, flowy, I would almost compare it to a golf shirt. Super comfortable. The collar is really nice and stretchy. And then it flows out from the bottom. Nice holes for the armpit. All right, let's try her on. Okay, so here is the shirt on. I got a size small once again, and I am 5'5" and about 120 pounds. I think it fits very nicely, longer in the back, I think, and it comes shorter here. It's a really comfortable fabric. It almost does feel like a golf shirt once again, and I think this would be great for the office, great for a golf course. The V is nice up here. Once again, great with the necklace. You can, of course, unbutton more if you want to go for something more casual. And then I think it's a great big collar, really fun, will look great over a jacket. And I really recommend this product. So I hope this review helped. Thank you for watching.